Local news for Thursday, the 11th of May. Health Minister Jonathan Coleman says a record number of doctors and nurses are taking care of patients in the Wairarapa DHB. Dr Coleman says more doctors and nurses means faster treatment and better experiences for patients and their families. As of the 31st of March, there were over 40 doctor full-time equivalents and over 210 full-time equivalents for nurses employed in Wairarapa. An auction to raise money for the Wairarapa chemotherapy service last weekend has exceeded expectations, with approximately $14,000 raised. And the acclaimed photography exhibition, Hard on the Heels, by leading New Zealand photojournalist Peter Bush, will return to Masterton this winter. The exhibition will feature 95 of Bush's personal favourite photos that were taken over an incredible 60-year period. The photos include great All Black moments, controversial and contentious moments, and some candid behind-the-scenes shots. It features All Black legends from Sir Brian Lahore, Bob Scott and Sir Wilson Winteray through to Colin Meads and Jonah Lomu. The exhibition, originally created to commemorate New Zealand's hosting of the Rugby World Cup 2011, debuted at Aratoy in 2010 and returns to Masterton from the 3rd of June to coincide with the country's hosting of the DHL New Zealand Lions Series. And in sport, Marama and Greytown are joint early leaders after the first 3 rounds of Senior Reserve Rugby. In local football, First Division, it's Douglasville Magpies and Masterton Athletic leading the way. For local news, I'm Brink here.